Hey everyone, today we're going to look at the arc of light on ships. Rule 21 defines your masthead light, side lights, stern light, towing light, all-around light, and your flashing light. Today we're going to look at your side lights, which are green on the starboard side, red on the port side, as well as your white masthead light and stern lights. The reason this is important is because at night you may not always be able to tell the profile. It may be too dark, the orientation of the vessel, but you can use your configuration of lights to determine what side of the vessel you're seeing and if risk of collision exists. So your masthead light is defined as 225 degree arc from right ahead to 22.5 degrees abaft the beam on either side. So it looks something like that. So from right ahead to 22.5 degrees abaft the beam. So this whole arc is going to be 225 degrees. Your stern light is defined as 135 degree arc, 67.5 degrees on either side. So from dead astern to 67.5 degrees on the starboard side, 67.5 degrees on the port side, for an arc of 135 degrees. This makes sense because 225 and 135 equals that 360. So we're covering the full degree of range around the ship. So we have our masthead lights shining forward, 225 degree arc, our stern light facing stern at 135 degrees of arc, and then you have our side lights. Our side lights are a degree of arc of 112.5 degrees. You can notice that 112.5 times 2 is 225. So the green is on the starboard side. So from dead ahead to the full starboard side, 112.5 degrees, and on the port side, same thing, 112.5 degrees from dead ahead to 22.5 degrees abaft the stern. So this whole port side of the ship is going to be red side light, and the starboard side is going to be your green side light. So what will we see if I'm here looking at the starboard side of your ship? I'll see a green, a white, and I'm not able to see the stern light. If I'm approaching from the stern, the side lights do not cover that arc. I'll just see the stern light. So if I'm looking at this vessel, I'm seeing its starboard side. So if we look at the bigger one, I'm looking from this direction. Where does this arrow overlap into? It overlaps into the white masthead light and the green side light. So on this vessel, we may see a forward masthead light, a aft and higher than masthead light, and a green side light. Same thing from the port side. If we're looking directly abeam of this ship, this arrow would overlap into the masthead light arc and the port side light. So we may see a masthead light forward, a masthead light aft of and higher than, and a red side light. So the arc of light covers that 360 degrees with your green and red on either side of your vessel, so as to show 112.5 degrees. And if I'm approaching from dead astern, this arrow would only overlap in the stern light. So I'd only see a single white light.